In this video, we are opening up the JBL TL here from Aquatic Monkey. It doesn't charge, so we're going to take it apart and see how damaged it is. First, we got to get a flathead screwdriver. Then if I sound different and if I'm sniffing a lot, because I am sick and also have a ski mask on, if you can't see that. I forgot how hard it was to get a screwdriver in here, like last time. Most likely I'm going to buy a new battery for this, so hopefully the insides aren't all corroded and stuff. But if they are, then I don't know what I'll do. Well, obviously if I... Yeah. Shoot, that side just went back on. Let's deal with opening one side at a time here. I did not want to take this one apart, but sort of have to. I feel like I'm going to break it every time I take off these freaking covers. Oh yes, it's very rusty inside. Well, this grill ain't gonna come off without breaking, so. Oh, super destroyed on the inside here. Just broke that. Get it off. There we go. We finally got this cover off. It's cracked now, but I think I can bend it back to shape. Hopefully we can. No wonder why it doesn't work. Look how rusty the screws are, if you guys can see this. It's actually a crazy, like, the woofers have like dirt or something on it. They have like no excursion left in them. But it looks like it shows to untwist it, so I'm pretty sure we got lucky and it has the screws that, like the passive radiators that just twist off. So let's find out. Thinking I have to unscrew it. Yeah, I'll just unscrew that part. Let me just get a photo here. Alright, now we know how to take this part off. Let's get the big screwdriver. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Crazy how rusty this thing got from being underwater for so long. I guess that's kind of what happens when something is underwater. Hopefully this one is repairable, but if not, then it's not, I guess. I need another flip 4, but this one might just be a blow. I might just blow it because, unless the other flip 4 that I have amp currently, I could probably take out the amp from like the built-in amp part from it. Maybe. I'm not sure about that, but it'd be worth a try. Get over there. Voice crack, excuse me. It's kind of nice right now. Whoops. Getting rust all over my hands. shoot, that's not good for the woofer, but whatever. Something tells me there might be no saving this. Unless the woofers work still, which they could. Hopefully they do. I bet you this is super corroded or rusty on the inside. Well, let's freaking go. This isn't. You'll have to unscrew this passive. This is the type of passive that I like. There we go. Oh yes, this thing. Y'all see this? This is not savable, I don't think. Yeah, like this passive is all rusted. Like, what is that on the inside of a passive radiator? This thing is the rustiest speaker yet. Woofer. Yeah, the amp board is all corroded. Woofers are rusty. So most likely. Most likely this speaker is unsavable. Which sucks because it's a nice speaker. Can't even sell the passives. But I can put them on a sub. Super rusty, so these screws are just freaking. Or it could be a wrong size bit. Get tetanus from this. Good thing I got my tetanus shot recently. But yeah, somehow this charging light turns on. Oh yeah. Super rusty terminals. If that's getting it on camera. Super rusty terminals. I will go grab a pair of wire cutters here and cut those wires. We got the wire cutters. Now I can cut these here. Like super rusty woofers. Bet you they don't even work. But we can find out later. I'm just gonna go outside and undrill these with a electric drill. So we are back from my garage and we got the terminals here. Snip, snip. This woofer is all corroded. So I'm assuming the voice coils too are corroded and damaged on here. It's like I'm pushing it down. It's like very scratchy, so I'll most likely blow those. Gonna hit the battery cover with an unscrew. Open it up. And this guy's channel will be in the description here. This thing is not savable, unfortunately. I'm not gonna lie, my battery looks fine. So I will try and probably put it into my other flip 4 that's amped currently. You know what, now that I think about it, I won't bother trying to save this battery. It just looks pretty corroded too. But that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And Clay, aka Aquatic Monkey, thank you for this JBL. The first woofer hooked up to this little thing here. And it still works. Now we're going to test the second woofer. And